Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5S and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and move up to the center. Here when we pick this button we get access to 4 ratios. We are in 4 and 3. Let's move to right side to 1 and 1. And as you can see, the background has changed to the square one now. Another tap to the center button, and let's move to left side to 16 and 9. Now we get access to a little bit longer ratio. And here in the settings, when we move to left corner, we can also pick full aspect ratio, full camera frame, so you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me move back to 4 and 3, original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.